pattern pieces can be a little bit confusing, so I just thought I'd talk you through what some of them are with the finished shoe so that it makes a little bit more sense for you when you're putting the whole thing together. This funny looking piece here is the quarter, which means it's sitting on the outside of the shoe, on that side and on this side. So we need to have two of those. Now you'll notice on the back we've got this back tab going on here, and that's what this funny looking piece looks like there. So if you imagine we've got our quarter on the side here, this back tab would then go over the top like that, and it would join up to our other quarter, which is on the other side. Now when it comes to the eye stays, that's this piece here, and this actually gets attached also to the quarter, sort of like that. And you can sort of see what I mean, that it's that piece that goes down the front like this, and it's where the eyelets actually go through. That's why we call it the eye stay. So we need to have one of those for that side and one of those to go, of course, on the other side as well. Now the eye stay and the back tab are such a great opportunity to do a little color contrast. So as you can see with this sneaker, I just went all white everything because this is pretty much what I live in every day. But of course, if you wanted to, you could be doing a different color for every single piece. But especially with the eye stays, it's just a nice opportunity to get a pop of color at the front, and with the back tab, a pop of color at the back as well.